In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the preferred language in Google Sheets. Whether you're working in a multilingual team or just prefer navigating your Google Sheets in a different language, adjusting the language settings is a simple and straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening the Google Sheet you wish to modify. This can be a new sheet or an existing document you frequently use. Once your sheet is opened and loaded, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll see the File option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on File. This will open up a drop-down menu filled with various options related to your document settings. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This might not be the first thing that catches your eye, but it's usually a bit further down the list of choices. Clicking on Settings will prompt a new window or panel to open up, presenting you with several tabs and options. With the Settings window in front of you, look for the option labeled Display Language, which should be visible in the main menu of this new panel. You'll initially see it set to English or another default language. Clicking on this field will open up a list of languages you can choose from, allowing you to tailor the interface to your preferred tongue. Now, if your desired language isn't currently listed, don't worry. There's a simple solution. Look for the button that says Add Another Language. Click on this, and you will be taken to a new screen where you can type in the name of the language you wish to use. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll hit Cancel, as I already have my preferred languages set up. Once you've added your new language, you'll see it appear alongside other languages you've used or added. To make it your preferred language, you simply need to select it as your top choice. You can do this by clicking on the arrow up symbol next to your language, which effectively moves it to the top of the list. This prioritizes it as your display language. With your preferred language set, return to your Google Sheet document. This can be easily done by clicking back into your Document tab or using your browser's back button. Once your document is back in focus, the last step is to refresh your document to apply these settings. You can refresh by clicking the Reload button on your browser or by using the shortcut, usually F5. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the language settings in Google Sheets to best fit your needs. This can make your work more efficient and tailored to your preference, especially if you're frequently swapping between different languages. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to leave a comment or like the video. Stay tuned for more guides to enhance your productivity in Google Workspace.